So I'm back, guys. It's Melissa again. Gonna do a Rite Aid transaction for you. Now, just quickly, I just want to clarify that these transactions I'm showing you are mostly individual transactions. That's not the whole shopping trip. So I don't want you to think, geez, she's grabbing, just a few things here. Is it really worth the time? It is, because I'll just slowly scan over here. This is just a week and a half of just grabbing stuff, and I spent really very, very minimal on all of this. Much less than you would had you gone and not used coupons, not paid attention to sales, and not done matched up. So that's just a week and a half. So these are just, I'm breaking up the transactions just for your understanding and your benefit, but I do grab a lot more than what I'm showing you. And at some point, I'd like to show you a whole thing, but I know that would take quite a while to tape it, and I just thought that this would be a good way to kind of show you some of these deals, break things down a little bit rather than confusing you. So I am going to show you two basic transactions so you can see how I rolled something over. I went to Rite Aid. I had no register rewards. But I did have a coupon. And actually, this Zicam Cold Remedy, something I've never bought before, but cold season is coming, and I tell you, I get hit hard usually. Everybody does. I mean, it's always great to have this. I can't tell you how many times I catch a cold and I never have stuff. So this was on sale for $7.99 with a $7 register reward. Now, they also had, I had a coupon. I had $2 off the Zicam. Plus, I would have gotten another $2 off with the pharmacy flu booklet, but come to find out, to get that flu booklet, you have to get the flu shot through Rite Aid. I tried to do that because I'm crazy, and I wanted the $100 worth of coupons, but my insurance wouldn't approve it through Rite Aid. So I couldn't do it. I know, crazy. But my kids thought it was pretty funny. My daughter said, "Mom, you're going to get a shot just to get coupons?" So that puts it in perspective. I think I'm a little nuts. Anyways, I needed the flu shot. I figured, why not? You know what? I'm here. So anyways, so I wasn't able to do that, but I was able to use my $2 off coupon, which brought this to $5.99, and because it's considered a medication, they don't charge you tax, so it was $5.99. That was an out-of-pocket expense. But I got $7 in register rewards. So what I did was, now let's just take that and just get that out of there. That's how I got my $7. I'm just showing you that so you know how I got my $7 register rewards. That's what I did when I first got there. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Hold on. Just hit the zoom button. Okay. So what I did is the Simply Saline, which is like a very basic mild nasal spray. I mean, everybody's congested, feeling icky. So I grabbed those. It was a buy one, get one free, and this is a contact lens solution. Believe it or not, it's like a spray. Pretty cool. I never even knew something like that existed. But I wear contacts, so it works out great. These were buy one, get one free. I had coupons, $1 off as well. So I actually, when I went in, I misunderstood the sale, so I was a little short on coupons, but it still worked out okay. And I actually am going to go back and do it the right way, and I'll show you why. But I'm actually going to end up it's going to work out anyways because of the cashier helped me and told me something. So I wasn't too worried about it. But anyways, it's a buy one, get one free, and I brought in 2 coupons. So I had $2 off as well. These were free, so I used $1 off on this and $1 off on this. But actually what I did is the mistake I made is I grabbed these thinking that this met my mark to get a $5 register reward, and actually I had to buy 2 and then get the 2 free to do that. So what I did is I went back in and I grabbed that, and I ended up with my $5 reward, and I'll show you how it all worked out. I got 3 things of liners, this awesome battery-powered toothbrush, electric toothbrush, Arm & Hammer Spin Brush Pro, and it came with the free trial-size Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Anytime you see a product with a freebie like that, grab it. It's the best thing because you're getting it next to nothing, and then you're getting a freebie on top of it. Can't beat it. And then the Carmex was on sale as well. So this is how it broke down. This is a little tricky, so just bear with me. Okay. The Simple Saline was buy one, get one free. I had $2 off. so I used that. I had $1 off 2 Always, $1 off the Kotex, which that's how much the price was, so that was free. And I had $2 off the spin brush, and I had 35 cents off each of the Carmex. The Carmex, there was a $2 up reward, and it was buy 2 for $3. This was also a $2 up reward, the Spin Brush Pro, and that was on sale for $5.99, and I had a $2 off coupon. So basically with the rewards and everything, this was like $1. These were 50 cents because I had $1 off. This was free, and these gave me a $5 rebate. So all in all, what happened was, it's hard to explain these 4 here, so what I'll do is I'll show you, because it was buy one get one free, and I was missing a couple coupons, but I still made out great. Basically what I did was, that whole transaction of all this right here was $9.15. And I had to grab another saline because I was just short for my $5 reward, so that was $1.99. So total cost, you know, you're like, oh, $11 for, you know, Simply Saline. I mean, that's ridiculous. Actually, these are $6.99 a piece. So, yeah, automatically you're like, oh my goodness. But I did pay $11.14. I'm sorry, it was $11.14, but I got $9 in register rewards back. $4 on one of them and $5 on another. This gave me $5 right here, plus I had $2 in coupons. This gave me $2. This gave me $2. So $9 to use on other stuff, which I've already used some of it on other products, and I actually still have, I think, a $3 or something of like that. I believe I still have a $3 that I saved. So all in all, this product all here, $2.14. You have to take into consideration these register rewards are just like cash. Cash that you just can use at Rite Aid or Walgreens or CVS. Just like if you were getting a gift card. If somebody gave you a gift card, you'd surely use it. You're not going to just let it sit there. Same difference. It's just like cash, but just has to be used there. I constantly shop at these stores for odds and ends, for basics. They always have sales, and now that I'm a couponer, I shop there all the time. So it's absolutely makes perfect sense. And you end up with all this stuff. I mean, saline solution is expensive. This is a sterile saline solution. It's huge for contacts. This is the Simply Saline nasal mist for congestion. People have been sick, you know. Toothbrushes, all stuff that would normally cost you a lot. And these toothbrushes, retail, they're a lot more than $5.99. That was a sale. So needless to say, this is probably $45 to $50 worth of product, and I got it for $2.14. So that just, hopefully that makes a little sense, and I will be doing more videos soon. Probably by the weekend, maybe tomorrow if I get a chance, or Friday, but things have been a little hectic, so just bear with me, guys. I will see you soon. Take care.